Hello there and welcome back to our channel. In this video, we are going to show you how to copy a Discord server without admin permissions, also known as looning a server in 2025. Now keep in mind that Discord does not officially support copying a server unless you have administrative access. But don't worry, we have got a few workarounds that might help depending on your situation, so let's dive in. So the option one is that you have to manually create the server. So to do it, first of all, you have to log in using your browser, or also you can download their official app. Just to log into Discord, you have to enter your phone number, and also you can use your Gmail. So first of all, log into Discord. So after logging in, you have to create a new Discord server on Discord. Then recreate each channel, match the names and categories as closely as possible, then try to copy rules and permissions by observing how they are set up in the original server. So I will show you how to do it. So while you are logging, you have to complete verification. So log into Discord first, complete their verification. So wait until the verification is done. Now you have to create a new Discord server using the customize. Then you have to customize your theme, whether you want black, ash or white. So I will choose dark. So it's asking for my UI density. I will keep it to default, so apply. Now if you want to create a new Discord server, like if you want to copy another server, then you have to just simply create my own, or you can also start from a template if you want to loon a gaming Discord server. There are a lot of Discord servers niche. You just have to tap on if they are available here, and if they don't, then you just have to tap on to create my own. So I'm gonna tap on to gaming. Okay, I'm gonna create my own. Now if you have to choose if it is for you and your friends or for a club or community, I will tap it. Now you have to copy the Discord server's name, the one you want to copy. Basically you want to looning the Discord server, you just have to copy their name, then tap on to create. So make sure that you have upload the same profile picture of the server to the one that you want to copy, because it will help you loon the Discord server. So this is it, and make sure you copy all the roles and access exact the same way you are looning the Discord server. Okay, so this is easy if you have got the right permissions. Now let's move forward to the next option, which is basically you have to ask an admin for help. If you have a legit reason like creating a backup or moving a community, just ask admins. So ask them if they can export server settings using bots or give you the permissions. You need to do it yourself. Sometimes all it takes is asking nicely. Also avoid unauthorized tools. Some third-party tools claim that they can copy servers without admin access, but be careful. These tools may violate Discord's terms of service or even put your account and security at risk. So use caution and avoid downloading shady software. So, and that's it. Those are your options for copying a Discord server without admin rights in 2025. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and drop a comment below with your question or requests for your future tutorials. Thanks for watching and happy exploring. Make sure to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.